Yakshemesh, my name Borat. They promised me 3 very pretty goats for educate you about this YouCube. In my country, YouCube is very strong. Only men can use this YouCube. Everybody knows that Facebook and MySpace is for little girls. They tell me in USA, YouCube is for everybody, even women. You can thank your Supreme Leader Obama for that. I like this YouCube, it's nice. I use it for make very good cubes of my favorite pastime, goat beauty pageants. I can take video, pictures, music, some new thing they call widgets, and any other internet type file and put it all together. I can also make link from Cube to my favorite other sites, like goatherder.com and goats247.com. My neighbor Nursultan Tuyugbay thinks he make much better goat cubes than me. But he's an idiot because he don't know that in YouCube you can remix anything. I just take what I like from his cubes and put it into mine. They tell me what you're looking at now is a cube. You have this video of me, Borat. You have my favorite song next to me. And you got some pictures above me. You can take any piece of this cube and use it to make your own. Spread this message so I, Borat, can get his goats. Shinkwi!